Our journey through Sleep Token's brand new album, Take Me Back to Eden, continues today. If you haven't seen the last reaction video we did, click right up there and check that out first before you check out this. This is the second to last song that we have to check out off this album. This one is called Rain, as I promised in the last video we would check that out. So let's not waste any more time and let's freaking go.
For so long I've waited, so long that I almost became just a stoic statue fit for nobody, and I don't wanna get in your way.
Ooh, boy.
But I finally think I can say that the vicious cycle was over the moment you smiled at me.
Wow.
And just like the rain, cast the dust into nothing and wash out the soul from my head. So touch me again, I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? It's that chemical cup that I can get down with, up like the moon and out like the hounds. A dangerous disposition, somehow refracted in light, reflected in sound. I'm coiled up like
There it is.
serpent, tangled in your trance, and I'm certain you have got your hooks in me. I know the way that it goes. You get what you give, you reap what you sow, and I can see you in my face.
These lyrics, man.
And I know I am what I am, the mouth of the wolf, the eyes of the lamb. So darling, will you saturate? Just like the rain, you cast the dust into nothing and wash out the salt from my head. So touch me again, I feel my shadow dissolving. Will you cleanse me with pleasure? Nobody can say for certain
Wow.
if maybe it's all just a game. When I open my eyes to the future, I can hear you say my name. So rain down on me. Oh, rain down on me. Rain down on me.
This is absolutely one of my favorites off this album.
Rain down on me. Rain down on me. Yeah, rain down on me. Rain down on me. Rain down on me.
I love the sound of rain in the background too. That's very fitting. Wow. This, oh my god. You know, I really do appreciate how deep Sleep Token's songs have been off of this album so far. This one is another prime example, and like I said, this happens to be one of my favorites off this album so far. I don't even need to do a deep dive into the lyrics here, because if you know, you know. But I will say that once again, these guys have knocked it out of the park. Vessel's vocals, of course, always on point. The rest of the instrumentation, top notch. There's just nothing else I can add about this band. They are just absolutely on another level right now. And I just want to get into the last song already. Again, I don't know how to say it. Euclid or Euclid. Again, I'm sorry if I'm saying that incorrectly, but still, that's the last song we're going to check out off this album. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you stay notified of when that will drop. But as far as Rain is concerned, it broke the scale, dude. I mean, almost every single song, if not every song on this album, has broken the scale out of 10. That's how good Sleep Token is, and that's how much they have impressed me on this journey. This was just another job well done. That's the bottom line. Hey there, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content and want to keep on seeing more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you don't miss a video. And please help us reach our goal of 10,000 subscribers. Be sure to follow us on all social media as well, at BottomlineWMCX, for some exclusive behind-the-scenes content and for updates on future episodes. Thank you again for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Peace, and take care.